Alright, you guys, in Costco. So here, right here, here, you get 36 refills. Ends on August 23rd. Perfect if you're going for dorm room. There's a lot of stuff on discount, which is like perfect for your room. You have your own bathroom, sharing with one person, $14. Obviously, you wouldn't bring this to communal; those get cleaned. 14 ends on the 23rd of August. Over here we have Clorox, so back to school for little children too. $13.69. They are $18. Oh, I didn't even know that was 18. Ends on the 23rd. $13.69. This should last you quite a bit. I was just talking about that. I mean, you do get 5. I would just send 1 and 1 and see how much they use, and then maybe drop more off. I don't know, because if I feel like if I give them the whole pack for like dorm, they'll just like be very wasteful, you know what I mean? $11.99. You do get 3. Perfect for teachers. Back to school ends on the 23rd. I feel like most of these items are going to end on the 23rd. And then we have the Lysol, which is going to be $7.50 for a 4-pack. Now, I haven't been in Costco in a while, but they do have Kirkland Pro Care baby milk, $24 from $29, so $6 off. This one does end on the 9th. And then $25.99 on the Gentle. Over here, organic protein is $25.99. And it does end on the 23rd. $25.99, $24. And then we do have the chocolate protein, which is $24. Again, 23rd. $59.99 on perfume. I see Dolce in here, a Daisy, Marc Jacobs. Not a fan. Obsession. The Versace pink crystal one, which I'm not a fan of that either. It just depends what you like. There's Jimmy Choo in here too. But the Gucci Guilty, that one's actually pretty good. $59.99. Some furniture, $500 on this console one. And then $449 for this one. I haven't seen this one's gonna be new. It's a lot longer. Okay, it is slow closing. And $650, have the one with the fireplace mantle. Drawers at the bottom, 2 side doors. $449, so $450. You get the chair and the ottoman, and it does lift up. And $900 on this dining set. I am really loving these rugs right here. I love the color scheme. They're gonna be $100. I kind of like this gray one. I know a lot of people hate the gray, like for homes and stuff like that, but for a rug, like for a room, I do like it. I like it. So $100 here, not bad. And these are gonna be $80. So if you are looking for a new rug, this could probably take up your whole dorm room. You know, you might have to put just a little bit of furniture on it, but it would kind of stink. I think, because you have to get all like the little crevices and stuff like that if it's on top of furniture. Over here is $40.
There you go.
And $100 up to 50 pounds. Okay, yeah, so you would need a new stroller up to 50 pounds. Yeah, I wouldn't buy that. Doesn't that look like the dog stroller? There's a dog stroller that just looks like this for $200, but the dog stroller was like $180 something. Okay. 2-in-1 wagon. Huh. I mean, hey, If you have a dog, you could buy the $200 baby stroller. I mean, why not? Dog strollers, again, are almost like 180, 170, 200. But I've never seen so many strollers here in Costco. So these are going to be new. I never have a lot of baby stuff. What's that black one right here? This green one's kind of nice. And the Pelican here is 160. This one's going to be new for Costco. That's new for Costco. Next to me, the earplug bundle is 100. There's also one in Sam's Club. I'm trying to remember the difference from it, but 100 here. These are now on discount for $24. Ends on the 31st of August. I don't see anything Halloweeny. I'm kind of bummed out. I'm like, give me some Halloweeny vibes. Costco. Okay. I spoke a little too soon. They kind of have it over here at the corner. Not as much. I feel like it might be what we've seen already. I mean, I'm not a fan of that Drac guy. And so $59.99. We got the Frenchie. And this one. I feel like everybody has one of these dogs, some type. This Boo one is pretty cool. And this one is $45. I like it because there's like the little wood carving in it. Kind of reminds me of those little haunted houses you could find at Home Goods or like TJ Maxx. You know, that you turn on, has a little spooky house. Okay, look at this car seat. This is $180. We also have a Paw Patrol one, the Hulk one, Black Panther. Wasn't that Marshall? Yes, Marshall. Do you guys know, I honestly thought this movie was already out because I do leave the TV on for the dog when I'm gone, and I put it on like Nickelodeon. And I keep hearing that like Paw Patrol song with the Backstreet Boys. I'm like, isn't this movie out already? This has come out for a while. But they're promoting it like crazy. But this is kind of cool. So the Ubi cream went down in price. It is now $18, $17.97. Malibu pink, which I see all over social media. How do I get one of these? I feel like they all have the same lines. Like each person who was honking this on TikTok, they all said the same thing. $15.99 and $36.99. Next to me is $56.99 and $32.99.
Yeah, that they weren't going to listen to her.
$36.49 on Castle and Key.
Instead of looking at the person, they're too busy reading.
And this one is $189 from Canada. Chicken shawarma is $15.99 here. Not gonna lie, it looks good, but I could be hungry. A cooling travel pet mat. This is only $20. Perfect. It is there's some poly. I feel like everything's half polyester. The feel is 100% polyester. The back is 100% polyester. The front, you got a little combination going on.
It's open.
Okay, these are on discount right now for £4, $13.99. Which is also a pretty good deal on these little chicken nuggets because in the grocery stores at like Safeway, I think the bag would have been like 2.5 pounds or close to like $13 as well. So I'm like, what the heck is going on? And then $7.79 on the mini. These are going to be mini. You get 3 in a pouch, 3 little minis, like little mini Oreos. $7.79 ends on the 23rd. $15.49 for the Tide. Ends on the 23rd as well. And then we have all here. This is $14.99. Ends on the 9th. So again, dorm shopping. I forgot to ask this question, but I am gonna ask. I'm going back, so I'm asking. Can the washer and dryer take pods? Because I just remembered sometimes they don't, and you get a lot of residue. Hey, these are new here. These are $10.59. Oh, those look kind of cool. Nutella peanut. This is $10, and you got 2 here.
Peanut, huh? That's,
Peanut, yeah, Nutella.
that might be good.
Cajun cashews. These are new, $9.29. Cajun cashews. Okay, $8.99. Ends on the 23rd. Alright, you guys, I believe this might do it for the Costco. I don't see anything too new in beauty wise here. Maybe this one, $33.99. $33.99. Even tone of a house like green lemon or lemon juice alone. Like if you have like dark elbows or something, you could lighten that up. $33.99 here. Alright, I gotta get on out of here. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.